Hey guys, this morning we are going to uh, learn how to create custom digital files that you can sell in your Etsy shop. All right. So in this case, we're going to be doing a tumbler wrap. So I'm going to create a new design, 2790, 2460 pixels, or 9.3 by 8.2 inches if you prefer to use that. So I'm going to create the new design in the size of my tumbler wrap. And I already have an image I created here in ideogram. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to bring it over here and put it into my blank canvas. All right. Now this has a paper graph grid background that I don't really want. So I'm going to first hit background remover and get rid of that. Alrighty, and that's done that for me. Now I'm going to resize this image so it fits on my canvas a little better. I do want to keep it over here to the side a little bit because I am going to be putting text over here, and I want to make sure everything lines up nicely on the tumbler itself when we are done with the design. So what we have here is a cute bus driver themed image, okay? And we are going to sell this as a custom tumbler wrap where the person who buys it can have a custom name put on this wrap for them before they download. Okay, so for our example image, our listing image, we're just going to put in any old name. And I'm just going to go over here and grab the text box. And I'm going to put this right here. And I am going to turn this 90 degrees. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to make this a little bigger. And now I'm going to put a name in. We're going to do Mrs. Smith. Let's say that's the name of our bus driver. And I'm going to enlarge that. Now my next step is to find a font that I like. And I like this one here. This goes well with the design, I think. And I'm going to make sure I have it centered. And the size I want it. That's just filling the entire design top to bottom, which is perfect. Now you could be done, but I want to make this match the rest of my design a little better. So I'm going to change this to the yellow you see here. And then I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to choose Outline, and I'm going to give it a black outline. And then I think I am going to increase the thickness of that so it's more blended together, and I like the way that looks. So in essence, our customized wrap is done. So now you can download this. And let's download. And I'm going to save this here in my test files. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to Photoshop because I want to make a mock-up of this. And I had already done one earlier, but I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to show you. That's what my Tumblr mock-up looks like. I'm going to click here where it says click icon to add art. I am just going to drag this custom bus driver image over, and there it is, and it is in there, and just going to hit Control S to save, and there is my mock-up. It is all ready to go, so I'm going to save this image so I can use it as my thumbnail when I upload my listing to Etsy. Okay. All right, that's done. So now you have your custom design created, right? Your next step is go to your Etsy shop to create a new listing. So we're going to go here, add new listing. Now pay attention because this is the important part, all right? It's going to ask what type of file or what type of item. And of course, we have a digital file. Who made it? I did. Finished product. Here is the important part. When was it made? You are going to click on Made to Order. Okay? Now this one, you can select Created by Me if you drew the image, or if you had help from an AI generator, always select that. It's best to be honest and upfront. You don't want to try and deceive people. So then we're going to click on Continue. And here you're going to put your title. And I'm just going to throw in a generic custom bus driver appreciation, sublimation, tumbler wrap, PNG design. And again, stress this is a digital download. Okay. Now we can add photos. So I am just going to drag my mock-up over. And now there's our thumbnail. This is what people will see. Obviously, if this was a real listing, you would have more than one mock-up here. And then your description, customizable, sublimation, tumbler wrap, PNG, bus driver appreciation. All right, and of course your description would be longer, but for this purpose I am just making it short and sweet. And then your prices and quantity you have, and then your category it will go into digital prints, and your tags. Again, you know what to do here. Bus driver PNG, custom PNG. I'm not going to fill them all out. And we will go down here and then pick your shop section. This would be sublimation tumbler wrap. And then your next options are, do you want this listing featured? Do you want to turn on Etsy ads? And your renewal options. And I always select manual. So then we will click publish. Okay. And Etsy is going to tell me that it doesn't like my listings because I only uploaded, one image for this, but that's okay. And we want to go to view on Etsy. And this is what it looks like. Okay, there is your completed listing, and it will tell customers right here on the listing page. Let me get this loaded. If you scroll down here, it says delivery made to order download. Files will be available after the seller completes your order. Okay, and I forgot to add customization. That is ridiculous that I did that, because that is like the most important part. Let's edit this. I cannot believe I did that. I am so sorry. Wow. Not good. Okay, right under your description, when you are doing that, you must click on add personalization. Wow, what a morning. Enter the name you would like on your wrap here. Okay, there. Make sure you click on personalization. That's the whole point of this video. I cannot believe I bypassed that and forgot it. And you want to make personalization mandatory. Okay, do not make it optional, or you won't have any idea what name they want on it. So let's click Publish Changes because I am having a senior moment this morning. I'm just going to blame it on the fact that I've been sick for days, and, you know, hope you guys fall for that. Not a senior moment. Not a senior moment. Okay, so now let's go back and view this image on Etsy. Okay, and this is what it looks like on Etsy now, with the personalization included. Right here you see your listing, personalization, scroll down, and it will tell you right here, delivery made to order download. Files will be available after the seller completes your order. Once you complete the order, they will get an email and a notification telling them that their files are ready to go. All right. Now, I can't really show you the process firsthand once an order is made, but I will show you some screenshots and explain to you what happens. All right. So let's say somebody places an order right now for this wrap. Okay. What will happen is once an order is placed, you can log into your back office and you can click on orders, and you will see, if you click on the order itself, you'll see this pop up, and it says down here, as part of completing this order, you'll upload a file for the buyer, and you will look at the order and see what the personalization was. All right. Let's say the personalization was Mr. Jones. So you'll come back over here and you will edit your bus driver file that you will have saved over here. I always save mine as a brand template. That way it is easy for me to locate it whenever I need it. Under custom designs, add and publish. Now when you come back to, let's look here. Now when you come back to Canva to find it, you have this brand template right here. You just click on it, use this brand template, and you can edit your files whenever you need to. Okay, so once you've edited it and added the proper name, you're going to download it again, save it to your computer, and it's ready to go for your customers. So you would log into your Etsy after the order is made, check your customization, create your file, and then you will see the complete order button. Once you have your file ready, you will click on complete order, and you'll see this screen where you have the option to upload the file. So the PNG you created, you will simply upload. And you can see here, I had already done that, uploaded. You can see this, your uploaded file. And at the bottom, you can also tell this to also email you. Whoops, I went the wrong way. Down here, it's blocked off by this border thing that I can't seem to get rid of. It says you can ask it to email you a copy of the notifications that it sends your customer if you want to. And then if you go back in and check the order again, now instead of it saying complete order, it will show the files that you uploaded, and it will tell you whether your customer has downloaded them yet or not. All right, so that is how simple and easy it is to create custom files that you can sell in your Etsy shop. All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them as soon as I can. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.